How to establish a branch of a foreign company in India. A foreign company can freely operate in India by registering a branch by obtaining approval of the Reserve Bank of India through Authorized Dealer Category 1 banker and further registration of the foreign company with the ROC. Such branch office is treated as a foreign entity and is subject to higher income tax at the rate 40%. Important condition for setting up a branch office. Net worth requirement. The foreign parent company must have a profitable track record of 5 years in a row with a net worth of more than $1 lakh duly supported by financial statement. Profit remittance allowed. The profit of the branch office are freely allowed to be remitted from India to its parent company after payment of application taxes after the audit if book of account. Name of branch office. The name must be same to that of the foreign parent company, and for each new office of such branch, a fresh approval is required from RBI with Deduction. Taxation in India. The income tax on the profit of the branch office of foreign entity in India is 40% plus surcharge as applicable. GST is applicable to the supply of goods or services. Procedure for registration of a branch office in India. Step 1. Attestation or legalization of document. All documents which are required to be filed with FNC form like the Certificate of Incorporation, Board Resolution, the article of the foreign company and the document of the authorized signatory of the foreign company need to be legalized either through Indian Embassy or to be apostilled as per Hague Convention. Step 2. Filing of FNC form with Authorized Dealer Category 1 banker. The application for registration of a branch office of a foreign company is filed in the prescribed form FNC to the RBI through Authorized Dealer Bank. The Authorized Dealer Bank play a crucial role as all the communication to the RBI has to be routed through them. We have an excellent relationship with many banks in India, which certainly help in obtaining the approval fast. The permission once granted remain valid for 6 months and you may apply to extension of the same if required. Step 3. Verification of KYC from banker of parent company. After FNC form is filed with the Authorized Dealer Bank, a request for verification of documents is sent to the banker of the foreign company. This process is also known as SWIFT-based verification. After receipt of confirmation of the documents from the foreign banker, the next process of approval is proceeded with the RBI or Authorized Dealer Bank may seek clarification or any additional documents which need to be submitted. Step 4. Approval of RBI for branch office registration in India. There is a specific policy of approving the establishment of a branch office by the Authorized Dealer Bank itself. And only case where the automatic route is not available, the case are forwarded for prior approval of the RBI. The process of approval after SWIFT verification is of a week. Step 5. Registration of foreign company branch with the Registrar of Company. After approval of the RBI for the establishment of the branch office in India, an application for the registration of branch office of the foreign company is filed in Form FC1 within 30 days of such approval. In case there are Indian directors, the DIN number of such director is needed, and the digital signature of the authorized signatory is required to e-file statutory form with the ROC for their approval. Step 6. Registration with State Police. Finally, the branch office need to register it with the State Police in the Office of the Superintendent of Police. The application must be accompanied by the RBI approval and KYC of all authorized person in India and the foreign company. Step 7. PAN card, tax deduction number and bank account. Income Tax Department allots a unique 10-digit alphanumeric number as a permanent account number, also known as PAN number. To comply with tedious provisions, every taxpayer need to be obtained a tax deduction account number. These identification numbers are essential to do compliance with the tax rule. The bank account of the branch office can be opened after allotment of PAN number by the Income Tax Department. Documents for registered office and statutory form. FNC form duly signed by AR, proof of registered office, note on location or proposed activity, NOC from the owner of premises, documents of foreign company or authorized person, certificate of incorporation and MOA, audited financial of past 5 years, board resolution to open a branch office, KYC of the authorized signatory. All the documents to be filed in support of the opening a branch office requires to be legalized in the home country of the foreign applicant. For more information, just call us 9899600605 or email help@setindiabiz.com or log into our website www.setindiabiz.com. Setindiabiz. Business begins here.